So now what?
Now it's here.
Whoop. Plop.
Let's mix them. Mix. That one's not done, Mom.
No?
Let's check this one. Yours is not done. Let's check the purple one. Oh, the purple one's not done. They're not all done, Mommy.
So what should we do? Should we leave them for a little while?
Nope.
You gonna watch them?
Yep.
Okay.
Are you doing washing, Mommy?
For a little while.
Okay. Then go to see Shiloh.
Mhm.
And then wake her up.